Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two competing platforms, which is Metricool and Sendible. So I'm going to review the quick overview, the strength, the downside of this platform to help you make an informed decision about these two platforms, which is Metricool and Sendible. So to get started with the quick overview, Metricool is a friendly social media management and analytics platform built for data-driven marketers, agencies, and small businesses focused on scheduling, reporting, and performance tracking. Sendible, on the other side, is a social media management tool designed for agencies, teams, offering multiple platform publishing together with the client collaboration, engagement features with strong customization option. Now, to start with the strength and the downside about this platform, which is the weakness of the platform. So starting with the Metricool strength and weakness analysis. So starting with the strength, that is strong analytic customizable reporting together with the support blog, web, and ads tracking, and also has the competitors and hashtag analysis included in its features. Now, talking about the downside of Metricool, it has a lack social inbox or comment management. It also has a limited team collaboration tools unless or the higher type plan, no built-in AI content ideations features. So talking about Sendible on the other side, revealing the strength, has a unified social inbox for management, custom client dashboard, and a white labeled report, together with a support Canva integration and RSS field and content quiz. On the other side, revealing the weakness, it has a reporting. The reporting isn't as deep as a Metricool for ads web tracking. The UI feels cluttered for a new users, and the pricing grows quickly with a teams and a client addition. On the other side, if you are patronizing affordable analytics, competitors tracking, and multiple channel performance monitoring, choose a Sendible option. Then if you are involved into multiple and client content accounts and need team collaboration, engagement features, and a white label capacity, just go for Metricool. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.